Hey, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today I got a fun little project for you. We were on the beach this morning and there were loads of oyster shells, weren't there, kids? Yeah, we had a lovely time, and then I thought, ooh, these oyster shells might be fun for a little project. Come have a look how it was on the beach and what we made. How fun are these candle shells? I really love them. Such a fun little project to do and a great way of using up old candles. I used little tea lights I had for ages, but of course you can use up old bits of scented candles or little stumps of candlesticks you might have lying around. And of course this is not a good project for children. Kiki only helped me with the bits that were safe, like clean the shells, looking for the shells. And of course with anything that's with wax, don't have your shell there. And also when you burn the candles, just always keep an eye on them. They only burn very shortly because they're very shallow candles. So keep your eye on them and never have your child close to a candle. But how cute will these look on your lovely set table, maybe for Christmas or for another family gathering. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please have a look at all the other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. And we'll be back soon with a new video. I really hope to see them then, don't we, Kiki? Yeah, should say bye-bye? Bye! See you soon! Candles. I love how they looked all scattered over the table.
It's all messy everywhere.
Yeah, you made it very messy, but I can't see it because it's on the other side of the camera, so we're fine. We're fine. I think that looks so cute on a lovely set.